Bizarre stabbing in the Bronx. Police say the landlord with a knife turned on one of her own tenants, a man in a wheelchair. Eyewitness News reporter Anthony Johnson's live now in Parkchester. What you tell us for us, Anthony?
Good morning, Lori. Good morning, everybody. Certainly a very bloody scene outside of this three-story apartment building right here in Parkchester. And what turned out to be, as you said, Lori, a very violent confrontation between a landlord and a tenant. It appears that a paralyzed tenant was attacked, stabbed multiple times by the landlady. Incident happened inside an apartment. The victim was rushed over to Jacobi Hospital, is currently listed in serious but stable condition after suffering stab wounds and being beaten. The landlady has been taken into custody, but at this point, no charges have been filed. The landlady did suffer some minor injuries, but it is believed by police that those injuries were self-inflicted. This incident took place around 8:30 last night, but the blood stains out on the sidewalk and walls is evidence of a very violent confrontation. The fortunate news is for both of the victims here, they are expected to survive. That is the latest live from the Parkchester section of the Bronx. Anthony Johnson, Channel 7 Eyewitness News.